Hey guys, this is an unboxing video of the Leatherman Surge that I got recently. I got it from the custom shop with some engravings that I'm so excited to talk about. As you can see, the seal hasn't been broken. This is my Elementum from Civivi. Fixed blade folder, basic, very simple knife, but I fucking love it. Yes, you have the Leatherman warranty card, I believe. Yes, warranty right there. We can look at this later. Wow. Do you guys see that? It's cool, isn't it? And oh, I love how it's shown up. Oh, it's not really locking up. The pliers seem to be well lubricated. Actually, it's not. I got one from Amazon which I returned before I got this, and the plier was stuck every time you pressed hard right off the bat. But this one's good. Oh, I love that tiger right there. So as you've already noticed, I'm Indian, and tigers are a big deal from where we're from. And I mean, look at that. And the mountain on this side right here. So when I planned my multi-tool journey, I decided that Surge would be the best multi-tool to start out with. The famous scraper head and serrated blade. Surprisingly very easy to open the tool and get the tools out right off the bat. I mean, it's a good knife. It's a great knife, actually. The truth is, I've already seen the Surge before. The only thing that's special about this one is the engraving. But I am surprised that, oh yeah, the scissor had a problem, and the one that I ordered from Amazon had a problem. This one also seems to be doing the same. That's something I need to look up on. Oh, yeah. Yes, perfect. It's working. That's a relief, because the one that I thought about, the one that I got from Amazon was a very bad product. Now I feel really happy for returning it and spending more money on this, even though I got carried away with the custom shop. I mean, look at that tiger, man. I'm sorry I'm obsessing, but I don't know. And the mountains on this side. Like, I decided that this is gonna be my outdoor multi-purpose, outdoor multi-tool. So we have this. The T-shank adapter is actually a cool thought. I'm sure the tag and file is right in there. Yep. This is fine. Now the tools on the inside. To be honest, this is the most useless ruler I've ever seen. Maybe I should have gone for the stainless steel one if I really cared about the ruler, but I mean, we've got an inch tape. Then Oh, that's a robust arm. Can you see how thick that is? With a hole in it. Perfect. That's just flatheads on the other side. Yes. So that is one of the best parts of the tool. Look how it looks for the tiger, huh? Yeah, I need help. But don't worry about that. Now I think you press right here. Yeah. And close the tool. Locking is really nice, it feels nice and sturdy. I've been told that the pliers are bad, but wire stripping is a very small part of what I need this tool for, so it's something that I don't care about right now. Alright. That's my unboxing.